Patios and driveways are an aspect of your outdoor environment that are both functional and can be an important aspect of the aesthetic to your property. Driveways are used obviously to egress the property. Your vehicles drive over it, cause a lot of stress to driveways. And they're one of the first things that people see when they pull up to your house. So they're an important aspect of curb appeal. So when a driveway begins to fail, it can really detract from the front appearance of your house, which is important for resale and important for you as a proud property owner. Patios are entertainment spaces. They're places where we live outdoors. Again, a really important part of our lives. When we're outside sitting on our patio, want to feel good about where you're sitting. You want to make sure that it's functional and that you can have chairs on it or a fire pit or whatever it is that you're utilizing your patio for. You want to make sure it's something you're proud of and safe to walk on. So when you're considering the installation of a new driveway or a new patio, you've got several factors to take into consideration. The first of which is the design. You know, how is the driveway flowing up to your garage or into your property? Again, how is the patio going to function? Is it large enough for the way that you intend to use it? So come up with a proper design for both the patio and the driveway is really important. And then the selection of materials will also be really critical. They can be critical for the aesthetic, which we've already explained how critical that is. And then they also can be really important for what your intended use is. So as an example, I don't think you would put wood down if you were planning on having a fire on your patio. So it wouldn't be a wooden patio, it wouldn't work out very well. And and you wouldn't probably put sand in for a driveway. So we'll take a look at how you might select that during the design process, what products you might use. And it's important to hire somebody who's skilled at that and has the knowledge so that you're able to properly install, particularly your driveways and patios, as they're relatively expensive items, and you want to make sure whoever's installing them knows what they're doing. Improperly installed driveways can break apart in a short period of time, and obviously they don't look very good at that point. And actually the same thing's true of patios. Frost can move them, they can be trip hazards, so there's quite a few issues with respect to patios and driveways in the design process, and part of that also includes the subsoils. What's suitable? What products should go down? Am I in a clay environment or a sand environment? So that can help determine what products you might want to use. And that can be explored during the design process.